Make a great choice today with the 2026 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, tailgate step, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.